Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Pros Dominic. I'm yet with another gist video. Hi, what's up, what's good, what's going on, everybody? I'm just here to give you a very quick video. Yeah, you can see I'm just holding the camera by myself because it's so brief and very vital, so do not take it for granted. Big up to my new members. I love you so much. Hug, big kisses and hug as I always do. Welcome to the winning team. My name is Pros Dominic. If you're new here, kindly subscribe. Click on the notification bell down below, and also don't forget to leave me a comment and like the video. Yes, let's go into the video very straight away. Very quick video here. As you can see, I'm holding the camera by myself. It's really hectic. Oh, this is not an easy job, you know. But anyways, it is what it is. Much thanks for the love and support. Road to 2K subscribers. What? 2K subscribers? We're from 1% to 2 until we are now to 2K, guys. I love you so much. Yeah, today I'm going to talk about something very juicy, so do not touch the dial, guys. I love you so much. Yesterday I'm talking about forgiveness, guys. It is very important. Yeah, so I know forgiving is very nice, it's good, it's promising, it is a very good thing to do. We have to always forgive. But my dear, the more chances you give someone, the more respect, like the more less respect they'll start to have for you, because they will always know it is always a second chance for them. So my dear, do not give more chances. Forgive me. Someone will keep on making mistakes because of course he knows that I know it's okay, I'll do this shit. I know Dominic will forgive me or give me another chance. So my dear, mind about the chances you give this person. So the more chances you give them, the more chances of disrespecting you will get again from them, you know. So these are kind of the tips you should know before you start forgiving one person. First time, second time, third time, fourth time, my dear, no, you should have a very big limit on how you do your things. They'll begin to ignore the standards you've set for your life or for yourself, because they know always a second chance will be there. So they will start to ignore your respect, you know, your dignity, your value. They will not be afraid to lose you because they know you cannot live without them. So definitely they'll keep on hurting you, disrespecting you, messing up your life, messing up what you know. They will be preying on your mind because of course they know you cannot live without them. So you have to show them and you have to set the standards that once I'm giving you this chance, it should be the last chance. Always do not give more than 1 to 3 chances. I know forgiving is really good, but forgive and forget and just push it away. So people, they will start to use this chance because they know, no, Dominic is like that. It's fine, she's not mad at me, but I know tomorrow when I go and say, hey, I'm sorry, she will say it's fine. So my dear, mind on how you handle your, they will get comfortable in depending on your forgiveness. So they will be more convinced, yeah, I know this is Dominic, she cannot do that. So my dear, never allow anyone to misuse your kindness, your kind heart. Never allow anyone to take you for granted because you know you always give a second chance. So set the standards and live on your standards. Once you've said something, make sure you fulfill your promise and do what makes you comfortable. I know these people are there are many. They will do whatsoever they want to do because they know you cannot go away, they know you cannot walk away. Set the rule and please lead the road, because this is your life. At the end of the day, it is your life you're hurting, it is yourself you're hurting, because you're being hurt the more. So the more you continue to be nice, the more you continue to be nice, people are not nice to you. They do not deserve the favor back. If they do not respect it, then that's it. It should be the end. All in all, it is your life. It is all about you. It is you to set it. So definitely it is you to set it off. You can choose who to love, who to hate, who to be with. You get my point? So it was so brief as that. But my dear, it is so much important, because I'm seeing this case. It is really so common in most of us. Do not take anyone's kindness for granted. Do not take anyone's good heart for granted. They deserve their respect. Everyone deserves the way to be treated the way you want to be treated. Yeah. that is it, guys, for today. So I've been Proceed Dominic. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe. I'm on my road to 2K subscribers, guys. I cannot wait to see 2K subscribers. Thank you so much for loving me. I love you back. Trust me, I love you as much as you love me. Yeah, you made me, and I'm so proud. Wow. Big shout outs to you guys. My manager Mercy in USA, manager Tree South Africa, manager Judy Dubai, manager Ricky Banks Dubai. You're so many. Your managers, you're so many, guys. You love me so much. I love you back. Thanks for sharing my videos, for commenting, guys. You're big, more big in you for sure. In Hadija Chigozi's voice. Big shout outs to Hadija Chigozi. The love is really big. I love you guys so much. Peace. I'm out. And my hair is made by me, by the way. Yes, Dominic Beauty Salon. I think I should also make a makeup parlor. Yeah, I was helped by Musao. She's called Musao. Not mention the name because for her profession, but she's called Musao. Those who know, you know. I love you guys so much. Big up.